करते हैं तो ये सारे ख़त्म हो जाते हैं। जब ज़मीन को पानी में डुबोते हैं तब भी ये ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, और जब ज़मीन को नंगा छोड़ते हैं तब भी ये ख़त्म हो जाते हैं। तो
Predators in support of PQNK. In the transition from conventional crop plants to the PQNK natural production system, the soil and life within it undergo a restoration process. However, during this period, the plants may suffer from mineral deficiencies and lack the robustness to defend themselves adequately against pests and insects, as observed in the video. Fortunately, this is where the role of predators becomes crucial. They swarm in to protect the plants and eliminate damaging insects, as illustrated in the video, demonstrating how the natural system thrives without the need for agrochemicals. It is essential to recognize that harmful insects and diseases are part of the natural recycling system. They tend to target weak or unhealthy living beings. As the soil and plants become healthier, several defense mechanisms are activated. Repelling plants emit scents that repel insects, much like how flies prefer rotten substances. Soil-borne Bt bacteria. The soil contains multiple layers of Bt bacteria that produce and inject poisonous proteins into plants, effectively killing young larvae. Predators intervention. In cases where harmful insects grow large in size and Bt poisons may not be sufficient, predators step in to clean up the infestation. Remarkably, there are over 1,700 different kinds of predators for each category of insects, ensuring a diverse and robust natural control system. Additionally, meat-eating birds act as scavengers, preying on insects and pests to keep their populations in check. One interesting aspect is that sucking insects get attracted to nitrogen-saturated plant leaves which are injured by them. This is where viruses and fungi come in, understanding the poor conditions of the crop plants and take their vital role in recycling in the overall recycling system. By understanding and promoting the PQNK natural plant protection system, we can get away from harmful agrochemicals and foster sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural production. What chemicals plants naturally produce to protect themselves? There are many different chemicals that plants produce to protect themselves from predators. Some of the most common include: alkaloids are a group of nitrogen-containing compounds that are often toxic to animals. Some common alkaloids found in plants include caffeine, nicotine, and morphine. Flavonoids are a group of plant pigments that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They can also deter insects and other predators. Terpenoids are a group of volatile compounds that give plants their characteristic scents. Some terpenoids are also toxic to insects. Saponins are a group of compounds that can disrupt the cell membranes of insects and other animals. Tannins are a group of compounds that can make plant tissues tough and unpalatable to animals. In addition to these chemicals, plants also produce a variety of physical defenses, such as thorns, spines, and thick bark. These physical defenses can help to deter predators and protect the plant from damage. The specific chemicals that a plant produces to defend itself will vary depending on the type of plant and the predators that it is likely to encounter. For example, plants that are eaten by insects are more likely to produce toxins, while plants that are eaten by animals are more likely to produce physical defenses. Plants have evolved a wide range of chemical and physical defenses to protect themselves from predators. These defenses help to ensure that plants can survive and reproduce, even in the face of predation. Plants on PQNK, which means having balanced minerals, can produce scents that repel insects. However, plants in industrial settings may produce smells that attract insects.